Hi, this is Ryan Jones with your motivational moment. How many of you have dreams? I mean real dreams, not those sleepy dreams that you have, but you have real dreams of becoming somebody or doing something in life. Well, let me say this. There are three kinds of people in your life when it comes to your dreams. The first person comes to your life to kill your dreams. Family members and friends are usually the ones who kill your dreams. They tell you that you can't do it. Nobody in our family has ever done that before. Have you lost your mind? Are you crazy? What are you thinking about? They give you all kinds of excuses on why you can't live your dream. The second person comes into your life to steal your dream. S-T-I-L-L. What do I mean by that? What I mean is that they're standing still. They don't want to see you move towards your dream, goal, or aspirations, so they become a barrier. They stand in your way. Here's what I want to challenge you to do. Whatever it is that you do, you keep moving. Don't stop. You don't let them stop you. They become the ones who try to steal your dream. The third person comes into your life to help fulfill your dreams. You need people in your life to help fulfill your dreams. The person who's going to help you reach your destiny, the person who's going to help you reach your goal, the person who's going to help you realize your dream, that's the person that you need in your life. So you got people who come into your life to kill, steal, and fulfill your dreams. And you definitely need that person in your life to fulfill your dreams. This is Ryan Jones. I want to challenge you to go out and manifest your dreams.